It's the last day of 2021 and there's a bit of weather activity brewing off the east coast of Australia. They thought it was going to turn into a cyclone, but it turns out that that probably won't happen. By the look of this, winds may reach about 55 knots or 100 kilometres an hour near the eye of the storm, which is passing close by the east coast. We live on the coast near Maroochydore, and the Maroochy River is my local place to sail. We're relatively sheltered in there, and being a small estuary, there's very little fetch, which means the distance from the nearest upwind shore is never that great, so there will only be a small chop on the water no matter how hard it blows. These are the exact conditions that Moonlight loves. She's a heavy boat, so it takes a reasonable puff of wind to get her going. Predict Wind is telling me it should be getting about 25 to 30 knots on the river mid-afternoon, and the tide will peak about 3 p.m. Perfect. One of the best things about that is that there won't be too many jet skis and tinnies because they don't like those kind of conditions. You could summarise this video as how to keep your boat fairly upright and keeping plenty of water underneath your keel. I struggled with both these things on this day, sailing in a stiff breeze with a broken rudder. I've used navionics to create a circular route around Channel Island via the mouth of the river, where I can expect to encounter a few waves, as the swells out there are already reaching around 2 metres. The sandbars move around a fair bit and the channels are narrower than normal with all the siltation. You can't always... To make it even harder, the water is dark and discoloured because of the recent heavy rain, so it won't be easy to see the bottom, and there is a very real risk of going aground. Fortunately, the river is mostly sand with just the occasional rocky outcrop that's well marked on the charts. I hope you're enjoying this series. If you did, then click on the like button, subscribe to the channel and set notifications so you see when the next one comes out. So I'm heading off to the river now, see what the weather is going to throw at me, and you can look forward to another one in this series in the next couple of days. Happy New Year!